Hey there, fellow Fix-It fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we make troubleshooting your home appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the How to Fix Electrolux Range E9 Error Code 2025 video. If you're staring at that frustrating E9 code on your Electrolux range, don't panic. It's often a simple fix related to issues like a faulty temperature sensor or a communication glitch. This error can pop up due to power surges, sensor problems, or even just a temporary hiccup, but by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to get your oven back up and running in no time. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure your range is turned off and unplugged to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's begin with a basic reset. Simply unplug the range from the wall for at least 30 seconds. This power cycle can clear minor glitches and might resolve the E9 error right away. If that doesn't work, check the power cord and outlet for any damage or loose connections. Plug it back in and see if the error persists. Next, if the code is still showing, it's time to inspect the oven's temperature sensor. Locate the sensor at the back of the oven cavity. It's usually a small probe. Gently clean it with a soft cloth to remove any buildup, as dirt can cause inaccurate readings. If it looks damaged, you might need to replace it. Head to the Electrolux website or your user manual for the exact model part. For more advanced troubleshooting, access the range's diagnostic mode by pressing specific buttons. Check your manual for the 2025 model steps, as they vary. If none of these steps work, it could be a wiring issue or a control board problem. At this point, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty. Remember, attempting complex repairs without expertise can be risky. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that E9 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy cooking. Thanks for watching.